In this video, I will show you how to add text in DaVinci Resolve 19. So in order to do that, you need to head over first to your DaVinci Resolve software or application. Open right here, project, and then input or import some media that you want to edit. So I've already imported right here a media. Next thing we need to do is just head over to the edit tab. So here is our edit tab right here. So once you're in there, you should be able to see in here a lot of options. So what we can do is we can just go over to the upper left corner. We can see the effects library option right here. Here is the effects library. You can head over and then click on that. Then from in there, you should be able to see in here this titles option. You can just click onto this titles. And then from in there, next thing we need to do is we need to head over and you can see in here various options for your titles that you want. So you can just choose a title that you want to add. For example, let's choose in here a basic title option. Now here's a preview of what it looked like. You can head over and then click on that, or you can also just drag it wherever you want it added. So I have dragged it right around here. So the text title will actually show up onto this page right there. So do take note that you can still edit what's inside the text if you want. So here is the text. So you can change it into hello and it will reflect right here. You can also change its font family, its color, its font face, as well as everything that you want to change. Just click on OK. You can increase the size. You can choose tracking, line spacing, and the likes. Just head over and edit it out according to your liking. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you